There's something about University of the Philippines which brings the best out of Sean Manganti at crunch time. Manganti once again broke the hearts of the Fighting Maroons as he drained the dagger three-pointer with over a minute left to lead the Adamson Falcons to an 80-72 win on Sunday at the Filoil Flying V Arena. With the Maroons hot on their tails, Jerrick Ahanmisi found Manganti wide open on the corner before the graduating forward, shooting 22% from downtown for the season, calmly sank the backbreaking three. "Nothing personal," said Manganti. "I was struggling in the first half, and I was glad I was able to hit that one," said Manganti. "I never shy away from a shot like that I want to take, that I never think of percentages," he added. Though Manganti has been struggling to find his range from downtown, Ahanmisi said his trust on Manganti making the shot never wavered. "It's just the connection. I went to the basket, didn't have anything. I pulled back, I saw him in the corner, passed it to him," said Ahanmisi. While the game winner was nice, Manganti said that he wasn't even thinking about it. He's just glad to get that win. Everybody was expecting something, that it will go down the wire, to go to the last shot, and everybody was expecting me to hit a big shot, but for me, I'm just lucky to get the win.